E-commerce is booming, but the competition is intense. Is your strategy equipped to stand out in the cluttered digital market? In this video, we'll explore the game-changing services offered by image-building media that help online businesses thrive and achieve sustainable growth. E-commerce marketing merges creativity and strategy to drive site traffic, create loyal customers, and boost sales. It's more than just promotions. It's about making meaningful connections. With a solid plan, your online store can transform into a revenue powerhouse in the competitive e-commerce space. Your website is your virtual storefront. Image-building media emphasizes user-friendly, visually appealing designs to enhance customer engagement. Features like mobile responsiveness, fast load times, and secure checkout systems ensure a seamless shopping experience that keeps customers coming back. When it comes to visibility, SEO is king. With expert keyword strategies, technical optimizations, and high-quality backlinks, image-building media improves your website's rankings on search engines like Google, helping you attract the right audience organically. Great e-commerce content inspires trust. From blogs to product guides and video marketing, image-building media crafts compelling stories that resonate with your audience. Their content builds authority, drives traffic, and fuels conversions. Social platforms aren't just for fun, they're e-commerce goldmines. Whether it's Instagram Reels or targeted Facebook ads, image-building media helps you leverage the power of social media to engage customers and boost brand loyalty. Strategic initiatives, from paid ads to organic content, amplify your brand's digital presence, establishing you as a credible market leader online. With conversion rate optimization, CRO techniques, such as A/B testing and creating seamless navigation, you can turn casual visitors into loyal customers who make repeated purchases. Customer retention is more efficient than acquisition. Services like personalized email campaigns and SMS marketing make your audience feel valued, ensuring long-term loyalty and higher lifetime value. Image-building media doesn't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. By understanding your goals and target audience, they craft bespoke strategies that align with your unique needs and budget. Analytics are at the heart of effective marketing. Image-building media equips businesses with tools to track precise metrics, measure performance, and optimize campaigns for unbeatable ROI. E-commerce is constantly evolving. From AI-powered personalization to influencer marketing on TikTok, staying relevant requires constant adaptation. Image-building media keeps you ahead by implementing cutting-edge trends like mobile-first design and augmented reality shopping experiences. Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? Partner with image-building media to unlock services that supercharge your traffic, conversions, and loyalty. Let's craft a strategy that doesn't just keep up with the competition. It sets the standard for success. To learn more about e-commerce marketing, visit our education portal at imagebuildingmedia.com.